all natural health food restaurant in Philly. We already have resolution authority. Excuse me, I'm choked up with anger here. We already have some of that resolution authority when it comes to a traditional bank. But when you start getting into AIGs and some of these other operations that have a whole bunch of different financial instruments, then we don't have all the regulatory power that we need. And this is something that I expect to work with Congress to deal with in our ongoing efforts to stabilize the financial markets on behalf of businesses and consumers.